Hello, this is Brandon Porter with 801 Injured. I want to take just a moment and answer a question that I get, or I'm not sure it's a question, it may be more of a concern. But a lot of times, motorcycle riders in the insurance world will be considered that they are to blame, even when they didn't do anything wrong. The insurance company will argue that you knew the risk, you took the risk when you got on a motorcycle, or motorcycles speed everywhere they go, so I'm sure they were speeding when the accident happened. This is simply just untrue. A lot of times a motorcycle is hard to see from a car. Or if a car runs a stop sign or a stoplight or turns in front of a motorcycle, it's not the motorcycle's fault, it's the car's fault. Don't be pushed or don't be prodded by an insurance company to think that you're at blame just because you're riding a motorcycle. If you were in an accident and it was not your fault, but somebody else's, feel free to give me a call. I'm happy to answer any questions or help guide you in any direction that you may need. Thank you.